So, very good morning here to all of you spectators watching from home. Match number 3 of this group, comprising Railways, Pondicherry, Kerala and Laksdweep Islands. And today, 7:30 in the morning, it's a very nice and cool morning here in Calicut and Kozhikode in Kerala. Railways lost to Kerala by 1 solitary goal, and Pondicherry beat Laksdweep by 3 goals to 2 in what was. So we are off indeed here at the EMS Stadium in Calicut. Railways against Pondicherry. Nice passing in the middle of the field there, looking for a good ball forward. Nice penetrating pass. Chance here for Railways. First goal of the game. And Railways have taken the lead inside the first 2 minutes of this game. Good ball there by Johnson. And a good finish. Barvin lays it back to Johnson again. Johnson with another cross. Nice build-up there here by Railways. It's nicely done once again. This is Pavan, the wing-back, with a decent cross in. Keeper spills it, and that goes over the bar. Who has a tough task here today, trying to get his team back into shape. And this is another chance. It's going to be 2. Oh, the ball. Oh, that's nicely done. Looking for a second goal early on here. Cuts back. Once again, shot coming in. What a block. Still, the danger is still there. And that goes just wide. Looking for another ball for Johnson. Johnson, nice 1-2. Chance! Second goal. No, my God. Chance again. And that's a second goal of the game for Railways. It's getting a bit out of hand here at the moment. If you are a Pondicherry fan, 18 minutes into this match, 2-0 goals Ashik and Fardin. Johnson plays it out to Kamlesh. Kamlesh with the cross in. Header. And that goes back again to Johnson, who's onside to the back post. 3-0. It is just oh so easy and simple for Railways. Easy ball there by Johnson. Just clips it to the back post. And a towering header. And it's just so easy and so simple for Railways at the moment. They are just dominating this game. So there we go. It's 4-0 now. Getting completely out of hand here. Gonna see the goal again. It's an own goal in the end, but that's nicely done there for Railways again. This is Johnson. Keeper comes out. It's 5. It's nicely done there by Railways again. They're just playing 1-2s, combining with each other nicely. Ball is in the box again. Cleared away though by Bondi. Here comes Railways again. Shot! What a goal that is. What a strike. Here come Railways looking for a 7th before the halftime interval. And they're going to get it. They're going to get it. They're going to get it. No, they're not. Hits the crossbar again. It's just been men against boys here today. And at long last, it's a half-time interval here between Pondicherry and Railways. 6-0 for Railways at the half-time interval. So, of course, you'll be joining us now. Pondicherry are in maroon and yellow, and Railways are in green. So, 6-0 at the half-time interval. Ball for number 9, Sufyan. This is Sanjib. Cross coming in. There you have it. Ashik it's number 25 with the goal. And it's 7-0. 7-0 for Railways. brilliant ball by Parvin. And that's a cracking finish. That's a nice looking pass. Chance for the 8th goal. Great save by the goalkeeper. Chance here for Railways. Chance goes wide. Railways coming forward again. Another cross. Back post. What a save by the goalkeeper this time. Credit where credit is due. That was a cracking save by the goalkeeper. Oh, wow. Pondicherry have a goal. Can you believe it? Oh, my word. It's 7-1. What a goal it was also. Let's have a look at that again. Look at this. Possibly the best goal of the day. Look at that. Absolutely stunning goal. Can you believe it? The injured player has been hauled off. Bavitran has come on. Oh, easy. 8-1. Railways have scored yet another. And it's 8-1 now in this game. That's poor defending again. I mean, what can I say? As a coach myself, I mean, this is just Here comes John Paul. Cutting inside, lays it off. Nice one too. John Paul again. 9-1. Very easy. Very easy for Railways. 5 minutes of added on time when the score is 9-1. Why would you do such a thing? What's the point behind that? Why extend the suffering of players? And it's 10. There you go. And now the referee whistles. It's almost as if he was waiting for a 10-1 to happen. So, my friends, it's been a horror show if you're a Pondicherry fan. It's been all joy and love if you're Railways. Back with you guys at 3:30 for the start of that Kerala game against Lakshadweep. Till then, stay safe, take care, and God bless you all. Adeus.